Hey everybody, it's late on a Sunday afternoon here, and I realize I've not posted a stock lock Sunday video. So I got this lock laying around I've not picked. It's a Brinks, like probably a 30, I think a 30 millimeter padlock, maybe 40 millimeter. So tape measure on here, inch and a quarter. Somebody can do the conversion on that. And that's one of the locks that they sell at Walmart for like $5 or something like that, pretty cheap. And we'll try some on the bottom of the keyway action here, and a Peterson gem. See if we can get this guy open here. All right, picked. So, pretty simple, easy lock, and I guess that'll do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. And hopefully, I'll find something better to pick next Sunday. But, like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll talk to everybody later.